Hey guys, welcome to my channel, In His Thorns. Please subscribe if you like it. So I decided to redo my kitchen cabinets. Sanding here with some 60 grit. Taking them all down. It's a smaller kitchen, so it's really easy to work around. Here I'm just knocking out the base cabinets with some 80 grit sandpaper. Little guy trying to help out. Got to teach him young, man. This here, eventually I'm going to relocate that dishwasher, and I'm going to turn this base cabinet sideways, make it into an island. This is what it looks like stripped down, ready for, I put the Varathane wood stain Provincial, classic, put 2 coats, and then make sure you hit everything with a tack cloth before you start staining. Gets all that fine dirt that you have in the grooves. You can see in here, I'm just showing you how I wipe down with the tack cloth. So here we go. Starting to apply the stain. Pretty simple. Just had a glove on. A latex glove, and then just some microfiber cloth. And here, just going to apply it to the baseboard. Base cabinets. And then there's the stain. That's actually clear coated. There's a triple thick polyurethane clear coat, and that's the finished product. So there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Best part is it all under $100. All right, man. Thanks.